A nation's future is forged by its people, their ambitions, their values, their vision. Americans are working each day to ensure that the future is bright. For your commitment to sustainability, for your courage that defends our front lines, Mahindra salutes you. Our own programs work to build stronger, more prosperous communities that embody the American ideals of fairness and opportunity. We are proud to partner with you so that we all may rise above the challenges of today and realize a better tomorrow. Driven together by purpose and hard work, we dream of an America filled with even more prosperity and possibility. We're here to help make that future a reality. We're here to rise with America every day. Mahindra. Rise.